do it. You gonna do it again? You taping?
Yep.
Okay. Remember to close your mouth when you jump in.
What are you gonna do? Uh-oh. Oh, he wants to play like the lifeguard. Oliver. You're so silly. Okay, I go over here. I'll get him. You're so silly. Can you do your jump again, Oliver?
Whoa! Hot tea? Too hot? Cookie?
A cookie?
You're slurping up that cookie. Hi, Birdie. You flew right up in the air? Are you checking out the water with your feet? Whoa!
You're so silly.
How's the water? Does it feel good?
Are you kicking Dada too?
Look at those palm trees.
Okay.
You can't see? Did you take the lifeguard a little?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh boy. You're such a good swimmer, Oliver.
Okay. Will you do a jump for me to get on camera? Where you sit down and jump in? Oh my gosh! Oliver! You did that all by yourself?
Oh my gosh, you're a good jumper. You're doing so good.
Can you stand up now? Uh-oh! Are you getting taller?
He's growing.
Uh-oh, are you gonna go say hi to that big bird over there? Woohoo!
Wow, this is a nice pool, isn't it, Oliver?